Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Bybit. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, on the home page, you are going to see this More tab. So simply need to tap on More and then you will be redirected on this Services page. Now over here among this services page, you will have to tap on the buy crypto option in the top, and here in the buy crypto section, you are going to see another option of buy crypto. So you need to tap on buy crypto and then you will be redirected on this buy page. Now over here, you first have to select the crypto that you want to buy on Bybit. For that, you are going to see this USDT drop down arrow button in the top right hand corner. So you need to tap on it and then you are going to see a bunch of different cryptos that you can choose on Bybit. So you just have to choose any of the cryptos over here. Let's say you want to buy ADA. So you will have to select Cardano, and after that you just have to enter the amount that you want to spend in order to purchase ADA, and it will show you the equivalent amount of cryptocurrency that you have selected you will get. After selecting the amount, you will have to press the next button in the bottom and then you will be redirected on the payment page. Now over here, you will be given the options as per your country. So as I live in India, it is showing me these two options. But in your country, you may get more than these two options as well. So you just have to select any of the recommended payment options, and after that you need to tap on the buy button in the bottom, and then you just have to conclude your payment, and this way you will be able to easily buy crypto on Bybit. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.